Here we go. Get used to the controls. You have to be very, very gentle when you're turning. This looks a fun little truck. Okay, let's hit that extra speed control. So that was in beginner. Now, this is the fast one. Let's line it up. Whoa. Straight away, can't control it due to the mass acceleration. Let's spin it round. It is very hard to control that. Maybe we need some more open road. And I've got it stuck. Stick it back on the beginner's control just to get used to it. That is quite quick, I like that. You have to hit, oh, I've got to stop hitting everything. Perhaps I need a bit of wide open space. To make some nice little jumps for that. Definitely going to get another one straight away. Maybe another 2 or 3, have 4 on the go. Oh. Speed is what we want. Let's change it. Here we go. Whoa, nearly hit the camera. This is straight out of the box, haven't even charged it. It's not bad. So leave your comments in the box below if you've got one. Let us know what fun you're having with it. What upgrades you've done. Can you upgrade it? I like this little car. I like it. Great fun we're going to have. Especially in the house as well. Oh, flipped it. Flipped it over. Traction might be better on such a smooth surface other than my like block paving. do like it. Whoa. Yeah, so hit that like button, share with your friends. If you've got one, let us know. Costco, £16, Great British pounds. There's probably a Costco wherever you live in. When you turn left or right, it looks like the rear lights change. Can't really see there, let's get it up close. Left, right, yeah. Bit like indication lights. Great little donuts. Yeah, gonna have some great fun with this. Definitely getting some more. Like I said, hit that like button, subscribe today. Gonna make a nice couple of little ramps for this now. Not right now, but my next video will have some ramps for this. Indoors or outdoors, who knows. I wonder what this is like, jumping down the stairs. Anyway, go get one today. You are gonna love it. Oh, flipped it.